Here's the stable, really nice. And really nice facility. All right there, look what I found, a stable. It's an old hag. And they actually have mountain trails, but there's training here, and they actually have a trail that takes them up in the mountains and around, which I thought is pretty cool. Here's the stable, really nice. And really nice facility. Really nice, beautiful stable. What's up? Look at that. How many horses do you have?
15.
15. Wow. Okay. Yes. Yes. Look at that beautiful girl. Look at that mane. Working. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
13 horses. Celebrate.
Boom. Good girl. It's really nice.
Nojiri.
Nojiri.
Yes.
And you're the owner?
No,
Sacho?
he is owner.
Oh, she's the owner.
Sitting other gentleman is
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, sitting down over there.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
All right.
second.
Been around 10 years, and beautiful stables, and something you show your wife there.